Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Motorola Edge 30 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you want to somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings page. The quickest way to do that is by swiping down from the top part of your display in order for the notification and control panel to appear. Here just locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like so, then tap and hold on it. At the Wi-Fi section of internet settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of. In my case, I'll go with this HardReset.Info 5G network. Tap on it. At the network details page, tap on this share icon, and here right below the QR codes you can see the actual Wi-Fi password right here. So basically from here you can choose two ways: either connect to the second device of yours manually, find the network manually and enter the password manually as well, or just scan these QR codes and the device, in my case this Nokia Android smartphone, will be automatically connected to this network. So in order for me to scan this QR code, I'll be using the built-in camera Google Lens. I will simply frame the QR code, wait until my Google Lens will recognize it. Once it gets recognized, I'll tap on it, and here all that it's left to do is to tap on this join network button that has just appeared. And as you will see now, our Nokia smartphone will be successfully connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.